Tired of being followed by ads online with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can block trackers and even skip annoying Captchas using standard smart anti-tracking in the Samsung Internet app. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down the screen. Tap Internet Privacy Protection. Tap Smart Anti-Tracking. And then select Standard. This mode blocks all trackers except the ones website actually need to function. So your favorite site will still work, but ads won't be as personalized. Under that, there's an extra option called automatic verification. You can turn this on to skip Captchas on supported website while preventing the site from tracking you during the verification process. Just remember, this setting only works when you are using Samsung Internet Browser, not other browser. So if you want better privacy, fewer tracker, and less friction online, this is the smart way to browse. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.